Where do the inspection companies fall into the picture? If like all these guys have their own drone programs, why would you call up like an Accurant or a Ranger or an Osprey? Like, why not just do it all yourself? Like, I mean, I guess just to kind of get more into the industry for people listening.
Sure. So if you think about it, there's going to be two or three reasons. So number one is as their programs got larger, they needed more help. They just didn't have enough. Their internal pilots were too busy. Secondarily, a lot of them, their pilots internally have dual tasks. So think about a utility, they're a lineman and they fly drones. So it's kind of like it's a great tool to have, in the toolbox or the truck, but at the end of the day, they have other tasks they need to be doing. So you basically have, I think, a capacity issue was number one. Number two, then all of a sudden the hardware started getting, different. So it wasn't all small, quadcopters, right? So you suddenly had things that got fixed wing or going BVLOS, right? Beyond visual line of sight. So you started having either special projects like BVLOS or special equipment or very expensive equipment involving like LiDAR payloads or something like that. So then you started to need to bring in experts. And that's where I think a lot of the service companies immediately made an impact. They were like, hey, we know how to fly it. We fly light, an internal pilot at an energy company may not fly LiDAR, very often at all. Whereas a service company says, man, we do that every day.